In this exercise, we are going to use the paintbrush tool and draw on these two photos. And in the end, we will get this result. So on the first photo, we are going to draw horns and a wing. On the second photo, we are going to draw wings, a crown, and the magic wand. Create new. We're going to keep these same settings. File, place, exercise 9. We're not gonna check template this time and just click on place. And now go to this corner and click. Just one click. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit like this with the arrows. And I'm going to lock this layer and create another layer, layer 2. We are going to be drawing on this layer. First thing, I'm gonna zoom like this. We're gonna start by drawing the horns. I'm gonna use the paintbrush tool. I'm gonna open brushes, then go to brush libraries menu, and then artistic watercolor. We're going to open this library, and now I'm going to choose this brush, light wash thick. Click. I'm gonna change the color to blue. The size, I'm gonna keep it 1 point, and now I'm going to draw like this, and another horn like this. Gonna double click. I'm gonna make sure the fidelity is set to this level and click OK. Gonna zoom out and I can close these now. I'm gonna draw the wing, so I'm gonna start with one line like this and another line like this. Now I'm gonna decrease the stroke weight from 1 to 0.5, and I'm going to draw thin lines like this using the same brush. And of course, if I'm not satisfied with the position of one line, I can always modify that using the direct selection tool. I can, for example, move this point right here. I can zoom on this and move this point right here and this point right here. Okay, we are done with the first photo. We're gonna move to the next. This one. Open brushes again. Open brush libraries menu. This time we're gonna click on another library, which is artistic ink. I'm gonna choose this brush right here, dry ink. I'm gonna set the color to pink, set the size to 5 points. I want it to be thick. Go back to the paintbrush tool again, paintbrush tool, pink and 5 points thickness, and I'm going to start with drawing the wing like this. If I'm not satisfied, Control Z and I can try again. Like this. I think this looks good. I'm gonna go to ellipse tool and draw a circle like this, and another circle like this, circle like this, and another circle like this. V selection tool, I'm gonna select these, press shift and select these two, and I'm going to click on this brush right here, marker smooth, click, and I'm going to change the stroke weight to, let's try 3. I think this looks good. Now I'm gonna select everything, Alt, duplicate like this, duplicate, right click, transform, reflect, vertical of course, and then click on OK. And now I'm gonna put the other wing right here. Gonna move this circle a little bit and this circle a little bit. This one here, and this one I'm gonna move it here. I think this looks good. I can always make some modifications if I want using the direct selection tool, and I can click on the point and move it a little bit if I want to. It's always possible to do that. And I think this looks fine. Just a little bit there. I think this is enough. Now I'm gonna draw the crown. I need to zoom for this one. I need to zoom. Go back to the paintbrush tool. I'm gonna keep the same color. I'm gonna reduce the stroke to 2, and I'm gonna choose another brush this time. Fountain pen, this brush right here, size 2 points, and I'm gonna draw like this, and now we have a crown. I think I'm gonna move it a little bit using the selection tool, and now last thing, I'm gonna draw the magic wand. For this, I'm gonna start with the line segment tool. I'm gonna draw a line from here to here, line like this, and now star tool, and I'm gonna build a star like this. Star like this. Go back to selection tool. I'm gonna select both of them, and I'm gonna click on this brush right here, fountain pen, and I'm gonna increase the stroke weight from 1 to 2 points. Let's try 3. No, this is too much. I'm gonna go back to 2 points. And now the exercise is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.